Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our book. Today we are in page 93. So let's jump into it. So tamrinatun ala sukuni, practicing the sukun. Okay, remember we said the sukun is this vowel here. Okay, remember this is fatha. So this one you just produce the sound, not the name of the letter. Now the name of this letter is lam, but when it has a sukun, lam saknatain, lam sukun, okay, on top of it, lam saknal, l, noon saknan, ra saknar, shin saknash, sh. Okay, so we have l, n, r, sh, a, l, n, d. Remember dal, we have to underline it. Okay, if you remember very well the last page we did, we said we underline those letters, those 5 letters. Okay, so we'll keep on reminding you. So we have the first one, hal, man, sir, ish, ضع, put, kul, in, ud, then we have buh, kam, qud, do not say qud, no, qud, okay. Inshallah we are going to discuss about what I'm doing. Don't worry about it, just know how to pronounce it and know the 5 letters we have to underline them. Then we have id, then we have here way, min, kay, tube, okay. We have b. Remember we said dal, b. Whenever we meet them, we are going to underline them until we know which letters we are supposed to underline them. I told you it's only 5. Okay, just go through the other page and underline them. Hal, man, sir, ish, ضع, kul, in, ud, buh, kam, qad, id. Then we have way, min, kay, tube, please underline. Inshallah ma'asalama, make sure it's easy. This one can take you less than a minute to read it. Please practice, make sure it's easy, because the next coming things, they depend on you understanding this one. Ma'asalama, see you in the second half.